How to change language on Spotify application. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. This is Kate, and in today's video we will see how we can change language on Spotify application. So without any further ado, let's dive into this video. First of all, launch the Spotify application in your mobile device and make sure that you're logged into your account. If you're logged in, navigate to your profile icon at the top left corner, tap on it. From this menu bar, tap on Settings and Privacy. Now once you land on your settings, navigate to the second option that says Content and Display. Now here you have an application language. Tap on it. Then tap on Continue. So from the available language here, you can select one according to your preferred choice. And with that, now your language will be changed. If you go back and refresh your home page, as you can see, the language is now already changed. That's it. That's how you change language on Spotify application, and that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.